Hey guys, it's Donovan at Wilkins Harley-Davidson. I'd like to point out a couple details of the dyno certification on this 2010 Street Glide in Vivid Black. First off, we went through the front end. It needed a new rim, so we replaced the front rim, new front wheel bearings, and new front tire. We did a new battery on this motorcycle. We did a full 15,000 mile service. Replaced all the engine oils, serviced the air cleaner, went through all the moving parts, levers, the floorboards, the foot pegs, lubricate and clean any of those moving parts. The total is about $1,275, $1,275 invested by Wilkins Harley-Davidson on this motorcycle during the Wilkins pre-owned guarantee dyno certification. That being said, a couple of my favorite features on this motorcycle has the tri-pouch windshield bag, aftermarket windscreen with a little bit of a recurve in there, Avon grips, highway pegs, has a full heavy breather from Harley-Davidson, and an Advanced Heinz Trudel exhaust. Nice premium Road King style touring 2-up seat, 4-point docking hardware, great bike, 16,189 miles. Give us a call if you'd like to have some more information or any questions, 802-476-6104. Again, Donovan at Wilkins Harley-Davidson.